Hi everyone, welcome back for my channel. So guys, unboxing time alone for my grocery. Kevin watch. Okay guys, kain tayo ng almond and kasi na-delay yung breakfast. Ngayon nag-snacks na ako. And then after I'm gonna cook for my lunch. So guys, sarap guys, pero mahal yan siya, mga 300 pesos. I bought in SM Bataan. And then I make some coffee with fresh milk, as in fresh milk, hindi siya yan po yung cashew, 180 pesos. That one guys, no preservative, I mean no salt, so in short, unsalted. So ayan mga kadigma, so ayan, kumakain pa si kadigma. Unboxing. So guys, yan, almond siya guys, and next is cashew. It's really good for the brain, good for the health guys. And fresh milk guys, I bought in SM 150 pesos, 1 liter only. So it's pure fresh milk, cow, kasi magkaiba yung milk. And then I bought some eggs, brown eggs, 169 pesos. So the next is fruits guys. Tagal naman magbukas dyan kanina. And I bought some, ayan guys, kung sa Bisaya pa yan is binoylos, charas. Then I bought in tissue, and then guys, vitamin E, Mara E, and then toothpaste Sensodyne, 245, that one. 7-Eleven, no, I forgot. Watson, and then lotion. And then, yan po yung previous ng Watson guys, dalawa mug. Ayan po yung concealer, buy one take one is 199 pesos guys. Naka buy one take one sa Watson concealer. So guys, so good na kayo. Ang daming buy one take one sa Watson. And next is, ayan, fruits tayo guys, kiwi. Ayan, 200. And next is, bilisan mo na kadigma. Yeah, lang yung itlog na yung chance. And then, joy to the world. And then, ayan pong pabango sa damit. Ayan, nakabili ako ng 2 apple, guys. Apple pie. And next, ang tagal talaga na ikaligma. Ang 2 orange. Next. And banana. Yummy. It's good, guys. Every day you eat that. It's healthy. Yan talaga itlog ni kadigma. And next is, ayan, bumili ako ng mga gulay, guys. Sinabaw with chicken. And then, lemongrass is really good. Yan, i-mix mo. Ayan yung gulay. Ano ba yung binili kong gulay? Sira-sira. Yung dahon, binili ko sa Pure Gold. Ayan, yung gabi ba yan? And then, ayan, okra. Ayan, kalabasa para sa mata. Pasensya na, guys, inaubo ako. Ayan po yung lemongrass. Sarap dyan, guys, sa sinabaw. Mabango. And then, talong. Eggplant. And then, chicken, guys, I buy 3 pieces lang siya. Kasi masisira pag nasa freezer. So, that's it, guys, for all my unboxing. Thank you so much.